What's up YouTube? This is Shoe DIY and today I'm going to be showing you how to customise your Vans Authentics in just 5 minutes. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need your Vans, some bleach, any bleach will do, and some kind of spray bottle. You're going to be putting your bleach into the spray bottle, so just make sure that the spray that comes out is the way that you want it to, as that's going to affect the way that the bleach looks on your shoes. Carefully pour the bleach into the bottle and always secure the top. You don't want that undiluted bleach spilling on your clothes, as it will probably take the colour out if you accidentally splash it. Next, take your laces out. So I'm going to start with the right shoe, and you'll be able to see the time given on the screen. That's going to be in real time so that you can see how long it all takes. I've only sprayed a little bit and you can already start to see that the colour on the shoe is starting to change. It'll start brown and soon it'll change to orange. When you spray around the shoe, think about how close or far away you want to spray to get the different effects. The further away, you'll get more widespread spray, but get in closer and it'll give you a more splodge-like effect. Think as well about how much of the black canvas you want to leave black and how much orange effect you want to get. If you do go back over parts that you've already sprayed, you'll get more concentrated effects, and that part of your shoe, well, it'll start to lighten more as it dries. You might want to wait a little bit between sprays to see where the bleach develops and where you'd like to add more bleach to the same or even new areas. I'm getting closer to the shoe with the spray as I want to leave some of the areas black but still have some small areas of orange. And you can see that I'm going over some of the areas I've already sprayed as I want those areas to come out lighter. So that's it, 1 minute, 8 seconds and spraying's done. Time to leave it to dry. Okay, on with the left shoe, let's go. You might notice that I'm spraying from more of a distance on this shoe compared with the last one. This is going to give it a finer misting effect with the orange as the bleach begins to take effect. Also, the less you push down on the spray pump, the less bleach should come out. See that distance there? I'm quite a fair distance away compared with what I was with the other shoe. We're going to have plenty of fine orange mist across this one. Okay, so we're at 20 seconds in and you can see the colour changing from black to brown and then to dark orange. I'm also getting closer and I'm pressing harder on the spray bottle's pump so more bleach will come out, and you'll see the effect this has as the bleach starts to dry. Basically, the more bleach, the lighter the orange effect. Generally, I'm also spraying more bleach onto this shoe so that you can see the difference when they're next to each other at the end. This shoe is going to have lighter, more rounded patches of orange on the front. The film's going to speed up now, but the real time will be written on the screen, and you can see that I'm still adding bleach to the canvas. Looking at the times, you can see I took longer on this shoe. I'm going to leave it to dry now, so just watch out for how fast this stuff takes. It's so cool. So what do you think? I think they've turned out really well. I love all this speckling here, like a night sky or a volcano's gone off on the front. I think if you're looking for a project, you want to customise your shoes, whether you've got old shoes or new shoes, I definitely recommend this. It's a great way to customise your shoes. It doesn't take very long, you get these immediate results and it looks pretty fire. Let me know in the comments if you have a go. I'd love to know. Did it work? How did they turn out? Till the next time, I'm out.